Gardening and character building. In the book of Galatians chapter 6 and verse 7, the Bible says, "Be not deceived, God is not mocked. For whatsoever a man soweth, that shall he also reap." The mental and moral powers which God has given us do not constitute character. They are talents which we are to improve, and if properly improved, will form a right character. A man may have precious seed in his hand, but the seed is not an orchard. The seed must be planted before it can become a tree. The mind is the garden. The character is the fruit. God has given us our faculties to cultivate and to develop. Our own course determines our character. In the book of 2 Corinthians chapter 9 and verse 6, the Bible says, "But this I say, he which soweth sparingly shall reap also sparingly, and he which soweth bountifully shall reap also bountifully." You see, sowing seeds can help us in training these powers so that they can harmonize and form a valuable character.